Today, Hong Kong recorded 26,026 COVID-19 cases, surpassing yesterday's 17,063 cases. Before this fifth wave of COVID, Hong Kong had only recorded mostly single-digit newly confirmed COVID cases. However, the more infectious Omicron variant is proving to be a monumental challenge for Hong Kong's dynamic zero COVID strategy. Health experts believe the worst is yet to come. This means the Hong Kong government is scrambling to increase its hospital beds and isolation facilities. This is the first of 4 makeshift hospitals in Hong Kong. It was constructed in 1 week and has 3,800 beds. Together with the other 3 makeshift hospitals, they will provide between 14,000 and 17,000 hospital beds. It remains to be seen whether all this effort will be enough to manage the skyrocketing numbers of COVID cases that are occurring in Hong Kong now. The best advice for all is to stay at home and work at home, make sure you're vaccinated and get your booster shot, double up on your masks if you have to go out, and remain positive. If you do happen to be COVID positive, remain calm and report your details to the Centre for Health Protection. You should remain at home until advised otherwise. If you are vaccinated, then the chances are you will only get mild flu-like symptoms. Even the Queen of England, who is 96 years young, had mild symptoms. Therefore, stay positive and you will recover quickly. Thanks for watching and stay safe.